Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ahmad Abdillah. I'm from Al-Qalam University, and right now and this time I will complete my duty because right now I stay in what is that, in English Association department. Okay, I will make tutorial playing guitar. Before it, I will tell you about basic of guitar, basic of chords, now that you can play guitar clearly and quickly. Basic guitar chord, also known as chord, are the technique of holding the guitar fret with the correct fret position and string number. Okay. In this guitar, there is 6 strings. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And how you hold your guitar like this, And before you begin learning to play the guitar, make sure you understand and master the 7 essential guitar chords. Each chord or guitar chord has a major and minor tone, which must be mastered. Must mastered. Understanding basic guitar chord isn't difficult. It's very not difficult. You can start by familiarizing every day yourself with the shape of each chord and practicing regularly by diligently, frequently applying the chords. Okay, and then you will quickly grasp the basic chords and learn to play the guitar quickly. I like that. In general, there is seven basic guitars. Yes, in the general there is 7 basic guitars. One, there is A. The second, there is B. Like that. Oh, I'm so sorry. A. Like that. This A, number 1, and then second B, then C, D, E, F, and G. Each with a major and minor tone. This basic guitar chord have a many variation. Ranging from like crash and sus. Crash like this one. This one is you can see it. This. The name is F crash. F crash like this. And when you quickly and master of basic this guitar, you can playing your guitar with singing fluently. I will give you example about the rhythm like this. I need somebody who can love me as my. No, I'm not perfect, but I hope you see my world. She's only you, nobody knew I put you first. And for you, girl, I swear I will. Like that. Okay, maybe that's for me. Don't forget about my name. My name is Ahmad Abdillah. Just it. As I say, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.